Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences to speak English at an airport. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First sentence is, what terminal do I need to go to for my flight? What terminal do I need to go to for my flight? Second sentence is, can you tell me where the check-in counter is? Can you tell me where the check-in counter is? Third sentence is, what terminal is it? What terminal is it? Fourth sentence is, can I have a window seat, please? Can I have a window seat, please? Fifth sentence is there a baggage allowance for my flight? Is there a baggage allowance for my flight? Sixth sentence is, do I need to pay for extra baggage? Do I need to pay for extra baggage? Seventh sentence is, can I carry this bag on board or does it need to be checked? Can I carry this bag on board or does it need to be checked? Eighth sentence is, how long will it take to go through security? How long will it take to go through security? Ninth sentence is, can I keep my shoes on when going through security? Can I keep my shoes on when going through security? Tenth sentence is, do I need to remove my laptop from my bag? Do I need to remove my laptop from my bag? 11th sentence is, can I bring liquids in my carry-on bag? Can I bring liquids in my carry-on bag? 12th sentence is, what gate does my flight depart from? What gate does my flight depart from? 13th sentence is there free Wi-Fi at the airport? Is there free Wi-Fi at the airport? 14th sentence is, can I charge my phone at the airport? Can I charge my phone at the airport? 15th sentence is, where is the nearest restroom? Where is the nearest restroom? 16th sentence is there a smoking area in the airport? Is there a smoking area in the airport? 17th sentence is, how do I get to the departure lounge? How do I get to the departure lounge? 18th sentence is, can I buy duty-free items before my flight? Can I buy duty-free items before my flight? 19th sentence is, can I get a boarding pass printed here? Can I get a boarding pass printed here? 20th sentence is, can I change my seat on the flight? Can I change my seat on the flight? 21st sentence is, can I get an upgrade to business class? Can I get an upgrade to business class? 22nd sentence is there a lounge for premium passengers? Is there a lounge for premium passengers? 23rd sentence is, how do I connect to the airport Wi-Fi? How do I connect to the airport Wi-Fi? 24th sentence is, can I book a taxi from the airport? Can I book a taxi from the airport? 25th sentence is there a shuttle service to the hotel? Is there a shuttle service to the hotel? 26th sentence is, do I need to declare any items at customs? Do I need to declare any items at customs? 27th sentence is, can I get a VAT refund for my purchases? Can I get a VAT refund for my purchases? 28th sentence is, how do I find my connecting flight? How do I find my connecting flight? 29th sentence is, can I leave the airport during a layover? Can I leave the airport during a layover? 30th sentence is, what time is boarding for my flight? What time is boarding for my flight? 31st sentence is there a delay with my flight? Is there a delay with my flight? 32nd sentence is, can I get a wheelchair for my elderly relative? Can I get a wheelchair for my elderly relative? 33rd sentence is, can I bring my pet on the flight? Can I bring my pet on the flight? 34th sentence is, do I need to show my visa to board the flight? Do I need to show my visa to board the flight? 35th sentence is, how do I request a special meal for the flight? How do I request a special meal for the flight? 36th sentence is, can I get a blanket and pillow on the flight? Can I get a blanket and pillow on the flight? 37th sentence is, can I get a child seat on the flight? Can I get a child seat on the flight? 38th sentence is there an onboard entertainment system? Is there an onboard entertainment system? 39th sentence is, can I change my flight to a later time? Can I change my flight to a later time? 40th sentence is, how do I cancel my flight? How do I cancel my flight? 41st sentence is, can I get a refund for my flight ticket? Can I get a refund for my flight ticket? 42nd sentence is there a medical center at the airport? Is there a medical center at the airport? 43rd sentence is, can I store my luggage at the airport? Can I store my luggage at the airport? 44th sentence is, how do I find the airport shuttle service? How do I find the airport shuttle service? 45th sentence is there a currency exchange counter at the airport? Is there a currency exchange counter at the airport? 46th sentence is, how long is the layover between my flights? How long is the layover between my flights? 47th sentence is, can I buy food and drinks on the flight? Can I buy food and drinks on the flight? 48th sentence is, how do I report a lost or stolen item? How do I report a lost or stolen item? 49th sentence is, can I pre-book a seat on the flight? Can I pre-book a seat on the flight? 50th sentence is there a customer service desk I can go to for assistance? Is there a customer service desk I can go to for assistance? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.